Hey guys, welcome back. Today we start with a new topic on arrays, that is how we can join multiple arrays within Python. Yeah. As we know, the process of joining two arrays is termed as merging or concatenating. Now, Python provides various or multiple methods in which you can uh, add or concatenate two arrays. We have seen this functions in my previous videos like append and extend, but we'll see some more. But before merging two arrays, always ensure that both arrays have the same data type. You need to understand that because we know but the basic functionalities of array is it has data of same data type. Yeah. So you need to be pretty sure about doing it. So when I'm talking about joining two arrays, it's actually merging two arrays to give you a single output. Yeah. So you have this two arrays, we are merging it and getting a single array altogether. Yeah. Now this could be done using various methods. So we can use using append method that we have seen earlier in my earlier videos that I have talked or spoken to about in a detailed manner. You can use the plus operator to join or merge two arrays, or you can use the extend method. I'll quickly take examples of all these methods because I have done this extensively in individual videos of this particular methods, how to use this particular methods. Yeah. So let me quickly run. So the first method, as I said, was using append method. Let me format it a bit. So to join two arrays, we can append each item from one array to other using append method. So one array is getting appended to another array. To perform this operation, we need to run a loop, yeah, on the subsequent array to get the output. So how we do that? Is let me import the array as array underscore name. Yeah. Now let me create two arrays. So A equals to, yeah. So I have these two arrays, A and B, array name dot array, 1, 2, 3, array name dot array, 4, 5, 6. Now what I'll do is to merge the arrays, I have to run a loop. So I'll say for I in range of the array that I have to merge. So a length of B. So B is what I have to merge in A. So I'm taking the length of B so that my loop runs that many times as I have the number of variables in B. Then what I'm doing is I'm appending A dot append with B0. So every time this loop runs in from 0 till the length of the array, that is 3, what it will do is it will keep on appending one number or one item at a time to the existing array, that is A. And then we'll print the original array with the merged list. So let's see what is the output. So here we can see all the numbers merged into an array. That is my first array. So I have appended all the B items within B to A. Yeah, pretty simple and pretty straightforward. Let me do this with this another method, that is using plus operator. So we can also use plus operator to concatenate or merge two arrays. So in this approach, we first convert arrays to a list. Okay. So to use the concatenate operator, we need to first convert them to a list, merge them, and then convert them back to arrays. Yeah. So we'll convert both the lists or both the arrays to a list and then convert them back to array. So we'll use the same thing, same example. We have A, we need to remove this. So we need to first convert the list to an array. We know how we can do it. X equals to A dot to list, and we have Y that is equals to B dot to list. Yeah. And then I'm storing both the arrays to a Z by using the plus operator. So we are using plus operator to combine the two the list. Yeah. So I have A to list, B to list. I've converted both of them and stored in X and Y, and then I'm concatenating both in Z. And post that, I am again converting this list to array. So I'm converting back the list to an array and storing it in A. Yeah. So let's see what is the output. We should get the same output that we had. Yeah. So we can use this way the list operator to combine two arrays, or the plus operator or addition operator to combine two arrays. Yeah. The last approach or the workaround that we have to which we can use to combine arrays or merge two arrays is using extend method. Okay. Now extend method usually extends the existing array. So this approach to concatenate array is the use to extend method from a list class. Okay. Now, similar to the above approach, we first convert array to a list and then call the extend method to merge the list. Okay. So we do extend the arrays using the extend method. So let me put it in form of an example as array name. Yeah. We have A. We have the same thing. Now what we are doing is we are extending the array. So x dot x extend y. Yeah. So I'm converted it to a list. I've used x as a original array and I've stored it in the stored the y in x. Yeah. And finally, I am converting the x back to an array and then we are printing it. We should get the same result once again. Yeah. So these are the three methods that I mostly use in my programming as well, while extending arrays or merging multiple data, similar data into one big data so that I can do my analysis. Hope I was able to make sense to joining array items within Python. Hope you understood the concept and the examples that have been shown. I try to make it much simpler as possible so that any novice can understand it. Hope you like this video. Do like it and share it with your colleagues who want to learn Python. Do comment if you have any views and if you have any suggestions or inputs which will help my viewers to learn something new or improve their knowledge. Yeah, but do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you'd like to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.